Hey everyone, this is Tim from Euro 6 Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to automatically update your applications on your Android phone. So you need to do this through the Google Play Store right here. This is where you just download everything. And you can see the section we have auto update apps. We can update all apps over Wi-Fi or mobile data. So I might want to go ahead and just do that. Or otherwise we got update over Wi-Fi only. And then I can back out. And it's under the settings section right here. So go to your name, top right, or your picture. Scroll on down. And we want to go to Manage Apps and Devices. And then we got Update All Apps right here. We can just check for updates on our apps and we can download those. And then we can scroll back to here. And we want to go to Settings. Now we want to enable the option for our downloads and updates. Go to Network Preferences. Go to Auto Update Apps. And here's the section where we can choose Wi-Fi only or mobile data. And mine was set to update with limited amount by default. So just look at this. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Euro 6 Studios.